Welcome back, everybody. CBS 19 meteorologist Joel Robinson here. We continue to track our next wave of showers and thunderstorms that could be pretty heavy into tomorrow. But in the meantime, still in a ridge of high pressure, leaving us with some warm and fairly calm conditions. Got a few clouds overhead, and the humidity, you'll notice, is starting to go up a little bit. That's going to set the stage for storms tomorrow as this wave continues to push into East Texas. So that is what we are going to be tracking into tomorrow. We got a weather impact alert out from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow. Mainly just watching for soaking rain, although we cannot at this point rule out some heavier thunderstorms that could be strong to severe. So if you have any date night plans heading into the evening, especially, make sure to have those windshield wipers checked, make sure they're working okay. Of course, make sure those plans are indoors as well. Now, we had some upgrades made by the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. We now have parts of the area, mainly along and south of I-20, now under a 2 out of 5 risk instead of the 1 out of 5 risk that we were in earlier. This means we have a better chance for severe thunderstorms to become a little bit more widespread. We're talking about 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, maybe up to quarter-size hail, and a tornado risk is not off the table either. So that is what we're going to be watching when it comes to these storms. So certainly want to be weather aware. Download that CBS 19 app, and of course CBS 19 Plus on your smart TV will be on there periodically to keep you updated throughout the next 24 hours. But as we head into the meantime, upper 70s and low 80s, couple of breaks in the clouds, couple of maybe some sprinkles, but otherwise we should be pretty dry. Then 60s to begin tomorrow. The rain will start to move in. This is a line of heavy thunderstorms. It'll start to be moving in by around noon tomorrow, extending from Athens all the way up to Linden, and then by the time we get to 3 o'clock, it's already in some of our central parts of the area, ranging from Jefferson all the way down to Palestine, and it's off into deep East Texas by the time we get to around 6 o'clock. At least the heaviest part is. Could have some patchy showers, maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder just behind that line. And then as we move into the later parts of the night, maybe around 11 o'clock at night, towards maybe midnight and during the wee hours of Sunday, could have a couple of additional showers in there, but they will not be too terribly intense. And then by the time we get to Sunday, we are going to be all done. High temperatures in the middle to upper 60s. We'll have some sunshine for the second half of the day. We're expecting at least 1, maybe even a little over 2 inches of rainfall from this wave of showers and thunderstorms. So certainly some good beneficial rain, considering we are definitely in a deficit when it comes to the rain as far as this time of season. So again, watch out for some isolated to even scattered, strong to severe wind gusts, reduced visibilities while driving, very heavy rainfall. And of course, we are watching also for a lot of that rainfall to be falling very quickly. So flash flooding certainly not out of the question as we head into tomorrow as well. We begin the day with clouds, thunderstorms rolling around the early afternoon hours, turning into just rain and thunder, maybe some lighter rain towards the end of the day. And then 67 and cloudy for Sunday. We're back into the 70s, crossing the 80s by the middle of next week, and we should be pretty dry for the most part.